Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about the job role of a supply chain manager, taking the example of a globally recognized company, Amazon. In today's fast moving world, especially with the growth of e commerce and globalization, supply chain management has become one of the most important functions in any organization. A supply chain manager is responsible for managing the entire flow of goods, starting from the raw materials, moving through production and warehousing, and finally delivering the finished products to the customers. At Amazon, this role is even more critical because customer expect very fast deliveries, sometimes which within 1 day or even within few hours. Now let us understand the key roles and responsibilities in details. First one is the planning and forecasting. Supply chain manager predicts customers' demand using past data and trends, the purchasing behavior of the customers, so that it helps the company prepare in advance and avoid delays or shortages. Second one is the procurement and supply management. The deal with suppliers to ensure raw materials or products are available on time at the best cost. Third one is the inventory management. The most important thing, maintaining the right amount of inventory or the stock is very important. Too much inventory increases the cost, while too little can lead to the stock outs and lost sales. Fourth one is the coordination and communication. Supply chain manager works with multiple departments, talking mainly with the procurement department, warehousing department, transportation department, and even with the marketing teams. If we'll talk about the transportation distribution management, transportation considered as the backbone of any industries because they helps in ensuring that goods moves efficiently from warehouses to the customers using optimized routes and methods. Talking about the technological parts and data analytical part in Amazon, advanced technologies like AI, robotics, automation, and real-time tracking system are used to improve efficiency. If we'll talk about the risk management one, then they handle unexpected challenges like delays, supplier issues, or disruptions, such as in pandemic or natural disasters. Now, let us move forward and talk about skills required for this role. First one is the analytical skills because it is very important for a supply chain manager as a supply chain manager must analyze data, identify patterns, and make decision accordingly. Second one is the problem solving skill. In supply chain industries, issues can arise anytime from anywhere, and being flexible and a quick decision making is required. Third one is the communication skill. Since this role involves working with multiple stakeholders, clear communication is essential. If any department is unable to deliver or give their uh, uh, if any department is unable to communicate directly or in with other one, then it can cause a delays in the production hub or in delivering part or and the fourth one is the technical knowledge of ERP system, warehousing management system, and tools like Excel is necessary. And the fifth one is the leadership skill. Managing teams and ensuring smooth coordination requires strong leadership ability. Now coming towards the career prospects, then the demand for supply chain profession is growing rapidly due to expansion of e-commerce, international trades and manufacturing industries. In companies like Amazon, one can start as a supply chain analyst or executive and grow into roles like senior managers, operations head, and even chief supply chain officers. Also, this field offers opportunities in multiple industries such as in retail, FMCG, pharmaceuticals, and in logistics. At the end, in a conclusion, the role of a supply chain manager is dynamic, challenging, and highly rewarding. It plays a crucial role in ensuring customer satisfaction and business success. Thank you.